Welcome, dear listener. This is Emilia with One Dreaming Bear, and today I will be taking you on a journey for inviting calm and relaxation. Before we begin, turn off all distractions and all mechanical equipment. Once you have found a safe place, we shall begin. Take a moment to settle in. Close your eyes and feel the weight of your body resting. There's nowhere to go, nowhere else you need to be right now. It's just you and this moment. Breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, feel a gentle release moving through your body. Take another breath in and expand your chest, your belly, and your heart. Each breath makes you feel lighter. As you sink into comfort, imagine standing in a quiet place, maybe a soft field or on a warm beach. Feel the ground beneath your feet and sense the calm around you, a calm that fills every space. This is your safe space, a place where you're fully protected and at ease. Now picture a soft, gentle light glowing in front of you. This light is warm and inviting, and as you gaze at it, you can sense that there's something beyond it, something waiting for you. This light is the veil. It's thin, almost like silk, and you know that on the other side is a world of deep understanding, a place where mysteries unfold. This is the place of unconditional love, where all is accepted just as it is. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel your heart opening, becoming softer, more willing to connect. Your heart knows the way, and it guides you. As you step closer to the veil, imagine a sense of peace wrapping around you, letting go of anything you don't feel, anything you don't need. Let any worries, any thoughts of the past, or anything pulling you away drift into the air like a soft mist. In this moment, nothing holds you back. All that matters is this gentle, growing feeling of peace. Now reach out to the veil with your mind. Imagine your hand gently touching it, feeling its softness, its warmth, its light as a feather. Take a breath in, and as you do, feel that veil becoming thinner. You are seeing shapes now, maybe colors or patterns, moving like waves on the other side. And as you keep your heart open, the veil becomes clear, allowing you to see beyond. It's part of you, the deep part of your heart that remembers the feeling of peace and love without conditions. You may sense warmth or colors. You might just feel calm. Whatever you see or feel, let it come to you as it wants you. In this place, you don't have to try or reach. Simply allow. Surrender to allowing all the goodness and unconditional love in. Your heart knows the way and opens wide like a door inviting in sunlight. You don't need to know the answers here. The answers are simply present, waiting for you to sense them. Breathe in deeply again, filling your chest with warmth. Imagine this warmth flowing down through your arms, into your fingertips, filling you with the energy of this peaceful place. This is where transformation happens. In this place, you can let go of anything that doesn't serve you. Any doubts, any fears, any feelings that no longer belong. Guilt, shame, they're free to drift away. Now notice how your breath feels as it moves in and out. It feels smooth, like a gentle wave rolling in and out with each breath. With every exhale, you release a little more, like sand washing away from the shore. Take a moment to feel that connection to this place. This is where your true self exists. It's calm, it's knowing, and it is whole. And it knows that you are enough. that you always have been. That's right. You are enough, and you always have been. The veil is open now, and you can return to this place anytime you want. Simply close your eyes, take a breath, and feel your heart guiding you back to this veil. Your heart knows the way. As you come back to the present, know that this is part of you. This peaceful, wise part stays with you. When you are ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling the lightness in your body. Take a final deep breath, expanding your chest and belly. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, calm, and whole. Thank you all for being part of this journey. And you can always re-listen to this as many times as you like. Please feel free to book a 30-minute session in the description below. This is Emilia with One Dreaming Bear, sending you off with an abundance of love, joy, and happiness.